The Vanguard Total International Bond ETF, ticker symbol BNDX, is an exchange-traded fund that provides investors with exposure to a diverse range of international bond markets. The fund tracks the Bloomberg Barclays Global Aggregate ex-USD float-adjusted RIC-capped index, which measures the investment return of non-U.S. dollar-denominated bonds with maturities of 1 year or more. BNDX is managed by Vanguard Group, one of the world's largest and most respected investment management companies. Vanguard is known for its low-cost, passively managed funds, and BNDX is no exception. With an expense ratio of just 0.11%, BNDX is one of the lowest-cost international bond ETFs on the market. One of the key benefits of investing in BNDX is the diversification it provides. The fund holds over 7,500 bonds from more than 50 countries, including developed and emerging markets. This diverse portfolio helps to spread risk and potentially reduce volatility compared to investing in a single country or region. In terms of sector and credit quality, BNDX has a fairly balanced allocation. Around half of the fund's assets are invested in government bonds, with the rest split fairly evenly between corporate and securitized bonds. The fund has a moderate credit quality, with a majority of its holdings rated A or higher by credit rating agencies. Another advantage of BNDX is its low sensitivity to interest rates. International bond yields tend to be lower than U.S. bond yields, and BNDX has a relatively short duration of just over 5 years. This means that the fund is less affected by changes in interest rates compared to longer-term bonds. As with any investment, there are risks to consider with BNDX. One risk is currency risk, as the fund holds bonds denominated in a variety of foreign currencies. If the value of the US dollar rises compared to other currencies, it could negatively impact the fund's performance. In addition, international bond markets can be subject to political and economic risks, such as changes in government policies or instability in specific countries. Despite these risks, BNDX has been a solid performer in recent years. Over the past 5 years, the fund has returned an annualized 4.25%, outpacing the Bloomberg Barclays Global Aggregate ex-USD float-adjusted RIC-capped index. It has also been relatively stable, with a standard deviation of just 2.1% over the same period. In conclusion, the Vanguard Total International Bond ETF BNDX is a low-cost and diversified way for investors to gain exposure to a broad range of international bond markets. Its diverse portfolio, moderate credit quality, and low duration make it a potentially attractive option for those looking to add fixed income to their portfolio. As with any investment, it is important to carefully consider the risks and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions.